I am doing my review on the single serve coffee maker by Mainstays, which to my knowledge is new because I've never seen it before today. So I'm assuming it's new. And this is for people like myself who just want to have like a Keurig machine but don't want to spend like $100 plus or even $50 for one, like I was about to do. And here it is in person. Very sleek. Have my little Starbucks cup that I got for free actually. It's cool. But yeah, as you can see, it's plugged right into the wall. Small, sleek, fits right next to my air fryer. The reason again I got this is because I was just kind of tired of spending all this money on Starbucks because, I mean, honestly, let's be honest, it's getting more and more expensive. And I do love Starbucks, don't get me wrong. I love Starbucks just as much as everybody else. But again, we can't deny that it's just getting a little pricey at this point just to kind of get it on a daily basis. So yeah, so where I'm at now in the process of taking it out the box, of course, I went ahead and followed this instructions. It comes with a quick operation guide. It's pretty much just to help you get started. And then it also comes inside the box. You'll see it has like another like little contraption that goes with it. And then it also has a guide, an actual guide. Yeah, so I'm using you can see some smoke coming out of there. So obviously I'm assuming it's because they're heating up the water. This only holds 14 ounces, by the way, and you do not get to choose the cup size. So I'm anxious to see if it's gonna put out all 14 ounces of water or just the amount that I need for my cup. So I'll see what that does. But it actually is steaming in the back, which is different. That's different. And heads up, this is where the water goes right here. The water goes right there in the back. So again, so the steam is not exactly concerning. I'm assuming they're obviously just heating the water up. But yeah, this only holds 14 ounces of water, which you lift this part right here, pour the water back here. Again, you see the steam because it's heating the water up. And put your cup right there. It only has two options, which is either round or capsule, which obviously I'm using little K-cups. And here it goes. It probably only took about 90 seconds just now for that to heat up and start pouring the coffee. Not bad at all. Smells really good. I went ahead and just got the medium roast, but I also went ahead and got my creamers as well. Yes, peppermint mocha. I also have French vanilla too. Again, I had to keep it affordable. I wasn't trying to spend an arm and a leg. The whole point of doing this is to save money from buying coffee out every day. So yeah, let's see. And again, you can choose your own creamer. I went ahead and got sugar. So I also bought a cup too, but the cup I actually bought, which is obviously not this one. Again, I already had this one, but I bought a separate cup. That was like almost $10. But if you go by the cost of the machine, my creamers, the sugar, again, I bought a separate cup that I'm actually going to take back because I actually realized I don't really want to keep that one. But overall, I only spent about $50 on everything. So the machine, creamers, sugar. I did buy some water as well, like a pack of water, like a little jug of water, just to obviously have for my coffee. But I think I may have poured all 14 ounces in there, I think. Which I'm fine with. I'm about to go ahead and add my creamer and sugar. But like I said, I ended up spending overall $50. And actually, after I take that cup back, it'll be really only $40 because, again, the cup that I bought was actually $10. So it kept everything very affordable. And again, this $40, or I guess $50 if you include the cup. But without the cup, the $40 grocery trip that I spent on and I also kept it affordable too. Again, like I shop at Walmart, so great value brand. I'm okay with that. So again, a lot of things are great value except for this one right here, which is Coffee Mate. But aside from that, everything ended up being about, not including the cost of the cup, $40, which is great because this will last me. And the K cups I got is a 12 count. So yeah, so that's 12 cups of coffee right there. That was only about $5 for the coffee itself. So literally for $5, I'm getting 12 cups of coffee as opposed to spending $6 or more per cup of coffee at Starbucks. But yep, so I'm going to add my cream and sugar and give it a taste. Give me 1 second. All right, guys, just cutting back. So I just went ahead and added my peppermint mocha creamer, and I also went ahead and added some sugar. And it tastes great. Obviously, it doesn't taste like an exact peppermint mocha from Starbucks, but I'm sure if I add like a little bit more of the creamer, I might get that same taste or similar taste at least. But it still tastes really good. And like I said, it's saving me so much money. And the best part about it is I can make it whenever I want. So yeah, overall, I say the machine works very well. You can't really see the coffee now again because I have the lid on my cup, but no, yeah, like it works really great. Again, it was very quick making the coffee itself. It comes with a removable little slide down here, so in case you spill something, you can just take it right on out and rinse it. Again, you only have 2 options for ground coffee and capsule, but it does not give you an option for cup size, which again, for 20 bucks, can't really complain about that. And then also, now that I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and push this in. It's going to pop up. And then now I'm going to go ahead and grab my used coffee out of there. Toss it in the trash. But, yeah, like I said, I don't really have a huge counter space. I do have more counter space over here. But, yeah, to make a long story short, I live in an apartment, so of course, like, you know, counter space is not the best. But again, that's why I went ahead and got this one as well. It's very small. It's very lightweight. Of course, it weighs what, like a pound or 2, if that, a couple pounds. Very slim, and the good thing about it is now that I'm done, I'm gonna just set it right back here in front of the outlet next to the air fryer, like I said. And yeah, I now have my coffee. Thanks.